Hey, how's it going? Seth here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a direct mail service called ITI Direct Mail. I like ITI Direct Mail because it comes with the self-serve approach. So whenever I want to put together a campaign, I can pretty much do it all myself from the website. If I have my template ready to go, if I have my list ready to go, if the mail merge is all set up, if I know exactly what I'm doing, I just need to get it done, I can do it. I don't need to call anybody or have anybody do it for me. So that's why I like it. But I also like it because it's got some of the best pricing I've found anywhere. And it gets even better if you sign up through the REtipster affiliate link, and you can get a discount on that already very low pricing. You can get this optimal pricing if you order a minimum of 2,000 mail credits through the REtipster affiliate link, but you don't necessarily have to order 2,000 at a time. If you wanted to, you could get started with as little as 50 pieces at a time. By the way, check out the link below. That's where you can get the discount. I want to just show you how that works really quick. I have a separate video explaining how to actually put together a mail merge direct mail campaign and send the whole thing out. I'm going to link to that beneath this video if you want to check that out. But in this video, I just want to show you how you can get that discount if you decide to go through the REtipster affiliate link. And this discount will apply to every campaign you ever order after signing up through this link. So it's not a one-time thing. You can save yourself a lot of money over the long term. So if you click on that link, it's retipster.com/ITI. You'll see a page that looks something like this. It's pretty simple. You can just decide whether you want to do a 1 or 2 page black and white letter. And in order to get this discount, you have to pre-order your direct mail credits. And this doesn't cover the cost of postage. This is just the cost of the production of the mailer itself. So like the paper and the ink or the toner, all the stuff they need to actually make the mail piece. That's what you're paying for here. And if you buy it in a minimum increment of 2,000 at a time, or 5,000, 15,000, 30,000, the more you pay for upfront, the better pricing you'll get. But even if you get that 2,000 pricing, it's still a pretty nice discount. And you don't necessarily have to send all these 2,000 or 5,000 or 15,000. You don't have to send them all at once. You're just prepaying for it upfront so that when you want to send them, those credits are ready to go. And once we sign up for this, we're going to get like a coupon code that we can use and reference in the future when we are ready to start sending that mail. So in this case, I'm just going to get 2,000 and then minimum order quantity. So you have to send at least 500 pieces at a time. So you don't have to send all 2,000 pieces at once, but it does need to be at least 500 or higher. So just keep that in mind. And the rest of these fields down here, we can't even select or do anything with them. It's just telling us how it's going to work. And one thing I'll note, so let's say you ordered 2,000 of these credits for the 1-sheet black and white letter, but you actually wanted to use the 2-sheet black and white letter in the future. You can still do that. It's just that when you use the 2-sheet black and white letter, it's going to eat up those credits faster. It's basically just going to chew into the dollars that you're paying up front. So if you do run out of money in the future, you just have to come back to this page and order more credits. Or you could just take out your credit card and pay right then and there. If there's any shortage, you could pay for it right out of pocket. And if you look down here, you'll see the unit price is 26 cents a unit. If we were to increase this to 5,000, it goes down to 21 cents. 30,000 is 16 cents. And I'll tell you, that is the cheapest price I've seen anywhere. Depending on when you're watching this video, that price will almost certainly go up as the years go on. So if you're watching this a few years into the future, I wouldn't be surprised if that number is now higher. But whatever point in time you're looking at this and whatever price you see there, go ahead and compare it with literally any other direct mail service out there. I'm willing to bet this is going to be the best price you'll find. And I think part of why that is because this is the self-service model. So you're not paying extra money to cover some sales rep or something like that. You're kind of on your own. And ITI does have a human that will look over your order after you order it. So if you did make some huge mistake, it would most likely get caught by them before it goes out. In fact, that actually happened to me the first time I ever ordered a campaign through ITI. I messed up something in the mail merge and somebody called me and verified how I wanted to fix it, and then they did it and then it went out. So you're not totally on your own. It's just that you don't need to talk to somebody to place that order. So I think that's part of why the price ends up being cheaper here than you'll see with pretty much any other place out there. Again, whatever you want to order, just put it in here, go ahead and click continue checkout, and you'll have to either log in or register if you're a new user. You just put in your name and your last name and your physical mailing address and all that stuff and click submit. And once you place this order and once you have those credits in your system, it's going to take you to a private storefront that the only way you can see this private storefront is once you're registered through this REtipster affiliate link. And then you'll see a different interface on the back end. And that's where you can proceed with placing your direct mail order and going on to the next steps. Again, if you want to see a little tutorial on what that looks like, it's pretty straightforward, but I will link to that video if you want to check it out, just to kind of get yourself more familiar with this, because it is the self-serve model, but that doesn't mean it's hard to do. You just kind of need a little bit of familiarity with where to go and how to do it. Again, if you want that discount, retipster.com/ITI. I'll have that beneath this video. I'll put a QR code right here on the video in case you want to pause it and scan it with your phone and do it that way. Just want to make sure you are aware of this. If you're one who is concerned with the price of direct mail, if you want to make sure you're getting the best price out there, this is a great place to do it. And also, if you're one who is pretty self-sufficient, if you kind of know what you're doing, if you're confident and you don't necessarily need anybody to hold your hand to get this done, that's another reason why ITI might be a great fit for you. So I hope you get a great deal on your next mail campaign. See you next time.